I have this universal oil filter wrench that I use to remove the old oil filter in my car. It is cheap and you can find them at most auto parts store or online for just a few dollars. But if you don't have something like this right now, there are other ways to remove the old oil filter. All you need is some electrical wire and a regular wrench. Stuff you probably already have lying around. Take your electric wire and wrap it around the oil filter multiple times in the counterclockwise direction. Wrapping it several times increases the grip and prevents the wire from slipping when you turn it. Next, run the wire over the handle of your wrench. Hold the wrench firmly and pull counterclockwise to loosen the filter. As you turn, the wire will tighten its grip around the filter, helping it rotate without slipping. Once the filter starts to loosen, remove the wire and unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. Allow any remaining oil to drain out, then clean the mounting surface with a rag. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a light coat of fresh engine oil to the rubber gasket. This helps create a proper seal and makes future removal easier. Align the new filter with the threaded fitting and screw it on by hand. Turn it clockwise until the gasket makes contact with the mounting surface. Then tighten it about 3/4 of a turn more. Do not use the wire or wrench for tightening. Hand tight is enough. The gasket will compress slightly to form a secure seal. Once installed, wipe away any spilled oil and make sure the area is clean before starting the engine to check for leaks. If you found this video helpful, go to like and subscribe to Weege for more DIY car maintenance videos. Thanks for watching.